I was the deadliest woman in the war, 309 confirmed kills. And still, they sent me away.
I was born in 1916 in Bila Tserkva, Ukraine, in what was then the Soviet Union.
I was a student. I studied history in Kiev. I thought my life would be quiet.
When the Germans entered Ukraine, everything changed. I didn't hesitate. I volunteered.
They tried to send me to be a nurse. I refused. I wanted a rifle.
I had trained before the war. I knew how to shoot. They saw it and they gave me a rifle. My first kill was the hardest. After that, I understood.
It was simple. It was me or them. I became a sniper, patient, silent, invisible. I watched, I waited, and I fired.
The number kept growing. 50, 100, 200. They started hunting me. German snipers were looking for me. Many tried to find me. None of them survived.
I was wounded more than once. The war doesn't forgive.
But I kept going, again and again.
Until one day, they made a decision, not because I failed, but because I was too valuable.
They sent me far from the war to speak instead of fight.
Gentlemen, I am 25 years old, and I have killed 300 night enemies. Don't you think you have been hiding behind my back for too long?
I didn't fight for glory. I fought because I had to. My name is Lyudmila Pavlichenko.